Hi, welcome to the channel. You're here because you want to do a factory reset on a Samsung Galaxy tablet. This happens to be a Samsung Galaxy Tab 8. It is the model SM-X200. It's a 64 gig tablet. I believe it was manufactured in 2022, but this same process should work for the majority of the Galaxy tablets. So first thing we want to do is power the tablet down. I'm just going to hold down the power button. And I'm going to power off. And I'm going to tap it again. Give that a couple of seconds to shut down. Okay. So now I'm going to hold down. We're going to go into recovery mode. So I'm going to hold down I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm going to get ready to push down the power button and the volume up at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hold them down until the second Samsung logo. All right, and I'm gonna let go. This may take just a little bit of time. You just have to have a little bit of patience. There's several things you can do inside of this recovery mode. If you have any other questions about any of the other features here, I've got other videos on this. So you'll notice, let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit. It defaults to a reboot system now. You can use the volume up and volume down. I'm going to go with the volume up and go to wipe data factory reset. It's funny, it says if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information. I'm not worried about that. I've used this tablet a little bit. Like I said, it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab 8. So I use the volume up and down to scroll through the menus there. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the power button as the enter button. I think the next thing it'll do is confirm that I want to do it. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Unlike the clearing the cache partition, this will clear every bit of data, your user account, any apps that you have, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and do a factory data reset. So use that and tap the power button again. See, it's formatting data. So we're formatting the actual memory that holds the Android OS on it. Give it just a couple of minutes. Formatting, data wipe complete. Okay. So now let's do exactly the same thing. We are going to, it takes us back to reboot system now. I'm going to use the power button again to hit enter. And let's see if it will boot back up for us. I'm done. So this is actually the second video I've done on the Samsung Galaxy tablets. If you want to learn how to reset the cache partition if your tablet is running slow, like I said, this is a Samsung Galaxy Tab 8. It is the model SM-X200. It's a 64 gigabyte model. So if you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe. Give this a video a thumbs up, and be looking for more videos. I should be releasing a couple of videos on this tablet. Again, the majority of these tablet videos would apply to at least the Galaxy Tab 8 and anything newer. Majority of these Galaxy tablets have the same recovery process. So just keep an eye out. Once this boots back up, it should be just like you got it out of the box, brand new. Okay, looks like it's starting back up. All right, so we're back to just like it's factory. I'm gonna say it's English. I agree to all. So we're back to exactly like we are, fresh out of the box, brand new. Set up manually. All right, we got connected to the Wi-Fi, and it's setting up the tablet. It may take a couple of minutes. Well, won't bore you with this. I appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and consider a subscription, and be on the lookout for some new videos.